This video tutorial will walk you through the process of linking your Moodle course and setting up grade syncs in one topic module with multiple links and grade syncs all at one time. Include deep links in your Moodle course. You will need to create your Sage Vantage course, and you do that by going to vantage.sagepub.com and then clicking on Create Course and then follow the prompts there. So let's go back into our Moodle course. We're going to go to my Moodle shell here, so let's click on that. Now, when adding deep links, we recommend using Firefox instead of Chrome. Moodle has a bug that will log you out when trying to add deep links if you're using Chrome, but it really just depends on your version of Moodle. Mine does not do that, but if you find that it's logging you off, switch to Firefox. So the first thing you also have to do when you get into your Moodle shell is go to the right-hand upper corner and click on Turn Editing On. You'll find this underneath the little cogwheel, and it's a blue button that says Turn Editing On. So we click that, and now I'm going to see Add Activity or Resource, and that's where we're going to go get our LTI tool link. I'm going to scroll all the way down where I've added a topical module here called Vantage Assignment. So now I'm going to go to my Add Activity or Resource. It's going to be on the right bottom of your topical module. So let's click Add an Activity or Resource. Now with this pop-up box, it depends on where your Moodle administrator has put your LTI Sage Vantage tool. Sometimes you might see it under the external tool. So you'd click here, external tool, and then look for Sage Vantage, or mine has it out where all the resources are. So I'm going to click on my Sage Vantage 1.3 tool. Yours may say Sage Vantage link or Sage Vantage LTI 1.3. It's whatever your Moodle administrator has named it. I'm going to click here, and now I get to this page. I'm going to click Select Content. So let's click this Select Content button, and now I have to select my course that I've created. So I'm going to scroll down to my course, and it would be this one. So I'm going to hit Select. You only have to do this the one time, and you just may have one tile, but you see I have several courses. If you have several sections or you use different books in Moodle, you'll have different tiles like this. So you select the course that you want to pair, that you want to link your course to. So let's select this Vantage course, because this is what I'm going to link my Moodle course to. And now we have a pop-up picker that comes up. You can either look for our resource type and select that way. You do it chapter per chapter. That's in another video tutorial that I've done. Or you can do assignments, ones that are graded and some that are completed, or however you have it listed. I'm going to go to all resource type, and we're going to come here, and I'm going to go ahead and select chapter readings. I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to just do the first page to the chapter 1, and I'm going to do a couple of these. First page of chapter 2. I'm only going to do a couple because you get the idea. So these are all my readings, and now I'm going to go back to the all resource tabs, and I'm going to make another selection. I'm going to select chapter test, and so now I can come in here and select all. I'm going to put all in one time. I'm going to put links inside of my Moodle course to link from Moodle to Vantage, and then I also am selecting grade sync, which tell Vantage to sync grades to your Moodle gradebook. So the very first box is the link to the course, which is the links that go into your Moodle course, and the second box that you check is the grade sync that tells Vantage to send your grades to your Moodle gradebook. I'm selecting all of them for demonstration purposes, but if you did not teach all chapters, you can just come in here and unselect these after you select it all. And now I'm going to come up again, and we're going to do another activity. I'll do some video activities, and so these are all blank as well. I'm going to put links and grade syncs in all at one time, or I may just do them all in class, but for demonstration purposes right now, we're going to do all these video links and grade sync. I'm going to do some data exercises, same thing. I'm going to come in here and select all, because I'm going to put all of my data exercises, I'm going to link in grade sync, and then that's good enough for now. I'm going to hit continue. There's a continue button at the very top. There's also one at the bottom. They are the exact same buttons. It just is for convenience. Let's click on continue, and now you will see all of my chapter 1 links and grade syncs that I'm putting in. The same thing for chapter 2 and all the way down. So let's go ahead and hit continue, and now you're going to give it a minute because it's putting a lot of grade syncs and links in there. This tells you you were successful, and then here is a list of all of the items that I'm going to be adding to my course. So we're just going to have to give it a minute. I'm going to click save and return. So we have to give it a minute because it's thinking it's putting in all these links and all these grade syncs all at once. Now that we have all our Vantage links and grade syncs in our Vantage assignment content area, we're going to go to the gradebook so that you could see that anytime you grade sync, it puts a column in the gradebook. And that's just how quick and easy it is to put multiple links and multiple grade syncs in one content area folder or module. Thank you so much, and have a great day.